and welcome back to Crumbs Doilies HQ for another Tuesday tips video, and I hope you've been enjoying the tips so far. I've actually put them all in a playlist now, so you can check that out at the end of this video and get your baking really crazily good. But for today, we've got Dane, who is going to show us how to separate eggs in a number of ways. Over to you, Dane.
Hi everybody. So quite often we need to separate eggs for different recipes. Sometimes we need just the yolks for making things like curds, and sometimes we need just the whites for making things like macarons and meringues. So the classic way of separating an egg is to just get the egg and tap it on the side of a bowl, or you can do it on the surface of a table, and just with your thumbs separate it so you've got two halves, and then just tip the yolk between the two halves of the shells until the egg white falls into the bowl. So a tip for when you're making meringue-based recipes is if you separate your eggs into two bowls and then put your white into a separate bowl. That way you'll avoid getting any egg yolks into your egg whites, and that will help your meringues whip up properly. So the second tip, super simple. What you're going to do is take your egg this time and just crack it and then put the yolk into your hand and just let the white fall through your fingers. So the third way I'm going to show you starts with some eggs in a bowl. So I've got my plastic bottle and I'm just going to squeeze a bit of air out, hold it over the yolk and suck it up.
Well, thanks, Dane. Lots of neat tricks there. I really love that bottle trick. It's really fun.
Yeah, it's cool.
So thanks for that. I hope you guys got a lot from that. And we'll be back in another 2 weeks with another Tuesday tip, so make sure you tune into that. I'll be back at the usual time on Thursday with a masterclass. So make sure you have subscribed and clicked on the bell so you don't miss it. So, it looks like we've got a lot of meringues to make now.
Yeah.
Get meringuing.
All right then.